Okay, I've got all of my ingredients for my salsa ready, and my last thing I need to do is add salt. And I'm going to add kosher salt, and probably a good 2 teaspoons worth over the entire thing. And the salt alongside from seasoning it is going to give it a lot of flavor, and it's going to draw out the moisture from our tomatoes, which is what we want. We want the flavor to condense. And then I'm going to add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to be pretty generous with it, just so it coats. I like the flavor of olive oil, which is why I add it to my salsa. If you don't like the flavor of olive oil or you want a different flavor, go ahead and add vegetable oil. So that's that. And the last thing I want to add to my things here are the crushed black pepper. And if you can get fresh crushed black pepper, it is honestly the best flavor. It's just, you can't beat that, and you can't get it out of a bottle. So I really recommend, if you can, use the fresh ground black pepper. All right, and that is that. And now the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mix it up so we get a nice even coating of the salt and pepper and the olive oil on all of our ingredients. And it already smells really great. We haven't even put it in the oven yet. So remember, we're going to put this in the 450-degree oven, and what we're trying to do is really get a nice char on our tomatoes and on our onions. So don't be afraid if it gets like charred on the outside. That's what you want. It's got a really great flavor. So I'm going to place it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes.